like. We're actually, if y'all watched my last Christmas vlog, you know that we did pink, and we're doing pink again. A lot of pink bulbs. This is cute, like a donut, and then little shoes and other stuff. I know it's gonna take my mom a minute to put the green Christmas tree up, only because it has a lot of. Because it has. Oh shit! Oh my god! Did you break? She did break on the green. Damn! Mom was gonna put that up in. Oh my god. It's not all the way.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
But
it's nasty.
Yes.
And I don't get sprinkles in that white bowl.
No.
And these, well, in the day on a Saturday. Why are you doing that? You see me standing here talking, and you back there trying to flip a bottle. Hopefully this fits the tree. If it doesn't fit the tree, we're gonna make it fit the tree because we're not running around anymore. Pink. I found these pink blues. No. No. And
we can use some of these too.
we already have some of those.
I only bought like 4.
Yeah, I didn't really like those though.
No.
And we're having another pink Christmas. This is clearly breaking out, as y'all can see this whole video. That the face is. What? I'm vlogging.
I'm sorry.
Please.
You break that up.
Donuts, little snowmans with pink heads. So cute. And then my mom. Ow! That's my second time falling on something. My mom got this pink, not pink, this frosty snow to go on the white Christmas. On the I am messing up all my words. This frosty snow to go on the green Christmas tree. So this is the white tree, and then we have more lights downstairs. But I'm gonna see how it looks. So I decorated the white Christmas tree. They're just going in and filling in the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go downstairs and start making steak because I did ask my mom to get me steak so I can make it for everyone. So I'm gonna do a cook with me, cook with Gia. I'm up here asking my mom, did she change the Christmas tree thing? She keeps claiming she didn't, and there's just not even anything in here.
Damn.
Then you wonder why the tree is wobbly.
What the hell is
that? Take this off.
No, that does not go off.
It's not going to be able to fit in.
Put that. Let me see.
This is not going to be able to fit in.
Turn it the other way. Lock it in the other way. Yes.
What? This way?
God damn. What the hell is going on? This picture.
She was literally wrong.
Let her run work 'cause you shot.
My mom started decorating the tree with 2 different color lights.
Thank you, baby. Watch out. Where's the other? Give me the
She did not
Where is
look.
the
Stars?
She didn't put
where's
it
the other lights like this?
Which color do
Give me
you want?
the
on?
other one.
The warm
ones like at the
ones?
top.
Grandma,
Oh.
you did your best.
I know,
You
baby.
can't take this out. It's all the way stuck. You want me to help?
No, baby.
Okay.
Oh, you lucky. Just ask the question. You know, plump butt.
Stop. Go sit down. Stop playing.
Say the
So
strong
my mom
butt.
hasn't
You
put
jump.
all
You better
of
get on
the
somewhere and sit down.
decorations.
Say the butt. Yeah. Get that off your hands. Get that jump.
Sticky.
Move it back.
Come on, stop.
Oh my
Stop. Damn. Get
Damn.
your big hand. Damn.
Damn.
Stop, boy. Doing too much.
He done broke the whale tail. Let me give a shout out.
No. Yes. Back up.
Shout out to
No,
my people.
back the hell up.
I can't make no circle.
Okay, so now I think
Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. I could've like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Go.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. 'Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable.
That buffalo dick, Gia.
What?
I took the buffalo heart and ripped it out. They carried it around Buffalo twice.
Yeah.
I like this beat.
Back up, bro. Back up, bro.
You got that potato cut?
Don't touch G.
That cookie.
Don't touch no, Gia.
Why does it taste like a steak?
I told them that joint tastes like bread.
Oh, bless you.
What that ain't got you so
Back
up.
Shut up. Wow.
With that camera right
Yeah. So don't say anything bad on it.
Ate that buffalo dick. I took the buffalo heart and ran with it twice. It's good, baby.
Okay. 1 out of 10.
Gia, do you know what this lady's doing to
That
her
steak
too?
is tender.
Good.
Gia, you
What?
need to
That's
see.
how I made it. On purpose.
I knew it
Gia,
tastes
you
good.
need to see Mercedes
Okay.
toothbrush
Why?
because look at this.
Let's take it up for me right here. I'm gonna eat this later.
You always do that stupid stuff. Get you a little piece of
Hey, man, you heard what I said. I'm gonna eat that later. Put that camera on me. I said I'm gonna eat that shit later.
What is the review of the steak, Jamal?
What is the review on there? Let me see. Yeah, with the 2 sheets on
like
there,
it?
boy. You put that thing on there real quick.
My cookies.
I gotta see what it's in on.
Mario. Why would you come up here and eat his cookies?
I didn't eat
That
his
was
cookies.
Mario.
I didn't do that. I only had a piece. I didn't eat that. I'm telling you the truth.
They are good, Rudy.
No, they taste like cake.
That's what they are. They're cake batter cookies.
No, we don't do that.
Hurry up and tell your review.
We do African American cookies. Black
Hurry up and tell your review.
If I can get it to
Black
sauce.
people
This is the food, baby.
He did right.
I need that A1 on that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Are you gonna use the whole bottle?
Already tried the steak. The steak hitting on that cornstarch.
I didn't put no damn cornstarch on it.
Let me see. You gotta try that like Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay made this. What DJ Khaled said? Bring steak. Bring steak.
God did. Got some great steak. He burned out. DJ Khaled burned out for real.
You gotta try that for now.
You okay?
To the end of tonight's clip, the vlog of tonight.